Greetings, my name is Kasey. I create beauty and lifestyle content here on YouTube, and in today's video we are going to see a little hair transformation. This is my cousin Leslie, and we were invited to the Hidden Crown headquarters. Hidden Crown is known for their high quality hair. They offer clip-ins, the halo design, crown toppers, and I believe they are adding a ponytail very soon. They have many different lengths to choose from, and I've just been fascinated by this brand for a while. I love the idea of temporary extensions, such a great alternative to bonding, tape-ins, and weave. It's undetectable, stays put perfectly, takes less than a minute to put on, and Jasmine is going to show us how to properly install the Hidden Crown halo design.
That's how it comes, like straight out the package. With this, you can see the layers that are in there. Some people are so scared to pull and they're like, I think I'm gonna break it. And it's like, yeah, no, but it's like if you hold this here and just pull. So I just like to get like a nice, to see about what her head shape is and to see how much I'm gonna have to pull in, but like, it's good to know, and then you can take it back out and, but like,
and you're holding, oh, you're underneath the bead, okay.
Yeah, and that's the thing, is just so that it, cause like if it, I don't want it to get too tight, but you just pull it out here and then you pull it there so that now you see it's still there. And then when I get it to her head, oh, ooh, did I do this like almost Johnny on the spot? Look at me. So that you see, and you just kind of adjust it. And so I'm probably gonna pull it a little bit tighter, but you see that it just sits there and the bead doesn't move or anything like that because it's secure. So now I'm gonna take it in just a little bit more to get it just where I want it. Yeah, because now this is a little too tight. So now I can, now,
oh, you haven't clamped it down.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. I can now show you how to take it back out. So then I do a little bit and then you just kind of pull it out a little more to loosen it. It's actually easier to loosen than to tighten because of the tension. And then now this is a little bit more comfortable, just a little bit more, I think.
And how do you know you got it where you want it?
You have to know how it feels. You want to, when it feels secure on your head, you'll know. Like some people will wear it like higher up here, and some people might wear it like back here. It's just like everyone's head shape. The thing is, and everyone's head shape is so different. Like some people have a flat head. Like I got a big old round head. Like everyone's head shape is different. That's why this works. And like it's if you mess it up, if you tighten it and you don't like it, you can just cut it off and redo it. How does that feel? Look at that. So now, and that's the thing is, and so you see, because it's layered, when it blends, so then now, you take it off, you know, you take your scissors, and I cut it right there to still give it just a little bit more give, just in case, you know?
Okay, see, when I cut mine, I cut it all the way.
Right, and that's the thing is that I like to give it just a little bit more space to breathe. The little Hidden Crown pliers.
Now, does this come with the hair?
Everything, yes, everything you see here comes with each and every order, and then you just go in, and you're
that part made me nervous too. I was like, ah.
You gotta hold it. Yeah, you hold it on tight, and like typically, what I tell people is like when you get it fitted to that part of your head, you kind of just walk around your house a little bit, let it sit, let the heat of your scalp mold this to your head, so that it won't move and it's secure and it's like. It's there ready to go. We're obviously expediting the process, but once it's fitted and once that bead is, it's not gonna move. And then our little clippy.
I love combs like that.
And it doesn't have to be perfect, you know, it just has to, you know, be about equal. I got another little knot over here. You naughty girl, my God. So now, the moment of truth. Let's see. So, we're gonna stick that right there. Thing is, and this is right out the package, and like her hair wasn't necessarily like straightened or anything, and like
yeah, it's natural.
It's all natural, and
the color is like perfect.
So now Yeah, because I just, you have to comb it out just a little bit to blend it. But like you see her back, you don't even see where the weft is. You wouldn't be able to.
Wow, that is
And like this is out of the package, not styled, not like nothing customized, nothing. This is if she were to just ship it to her house, how it would come out. We didn't do anything special to her hair or that hair. It's just, this is how it comes. And now she's ready to style. You can see, but yeah, when you put it out like that.
That's amazing, because usually you have to curl to blend.
Yeah, a lot of times you have to, like we always say, you got to zhuzh it up a little bit and like work with your hair, but still, for the most part, out of the package, if you get the right color and it's the right density and thickness for your hair, it should be a seamless blend, and it's like, voila.
Yeah, that is super cool.
Feels really like the perfect fit.
Yeah, your color is so nice right now.
I said, yeah, and that thing is, I like that grown out look. Is like, I love that.
Oh, I do too. I don't have to go so often.
Yeah.
Well, when I was like platinum, I was going like once a month. It was so bad.
That's
Like, my
like,
hair
it's-
even feels better now.
Right, and that thing is, yeah, you're nicer to your hair. It's